If you're using ElevenLabs to create amazing voice AI for clients and managing those clients in GoHighLevel, this video is for you. You have access to best voice technology on the market, but you're probably stuck sending messy Airtable links to show clients their character, usage, and performance. We got so obsessed with fixing this exact problem that we spent the last 2 years building the ultimate solution. Today, we've helped over 600 agencies just like yours process over $500,000 in automated client billing through our system. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use that exact system to wrap your ElevenLabs agents in a fully branded white label dashboard and plug it directly into GoHighLevel sub-accounts in minutes. No code, no developers. Let's get into it. So when you're selling to businesses, presentation matters. They aren't just paying for your AI agent. They are paying for a professional, seamless experience with concrete outcome. Relying on your base ElevenLabs dashboard creates 5 major roadblocks for any scaling agency. First, there's no white labeling. Your clients see ElevenLabs branding, not yours. And it positions you as a reseller, not a premium solution provider. And also, it's a creator interface. The dashboard is great for you as builders, but it's not designed for clients to track their own usage in a simple, segmented way. Now also, there's no automated rebuilding feature. This is the biggest one. You have to manually track every single usage for each client, calculate invoices, and chase payments every single month. And it is a huge operational bottleneck as an agency. And on top of that, it has limited client-facing analytics. It's very difficult to prove the value and ROI of your voice services without a dashboard that shows clients their usage and trends and cost clearly. Of course, it has some sort of generic KPIs, like how many call minutes have been used and how many calls have been made, but it really doesn't show the outcomes, like booked appointments for your customers. And last but not least, it gives you a fragmented experience. Your clients are working in GoHighLevel, and making them log in to a separate system to see their voice AI usage creates friction and feels unprofessional. So ultimately, what you want to do as an agency is having a one centralized place where you can see everything in one place. And now I'm going to show you how you can create your custom dashboard for your ElevenLabs agents. First, head over to chatdash.com and you want to create your trial account. We're doing 14 days free trial without credit card upfront, so there's literally no risk. So feel free to do that. And once you start your trial, you should be able to see this onboarding page. And this onboarding process will walk you through how you can set up your first custom dashboard for your ElevenLabs agents. Click on next. And this is where you can customize your agency's branding. You can customize agency logo, agency name, domain, and color theme. So if you have your agency logo and your custom domain, feel free to add it here. And for this demo, I'm going to be just using mint color for my agency main color. Click on next. And in the second step, you can add and configure your first agent. We do support around 10 different agent platforms, but in this video, I'm going to select ElevenLabs. And all you need to do is just bring in ElevenLabs API key from your ElevenLabs dashboard. So in order to get that API key, you want to go to ElevenLabs dashboard and I'm going to click on developers, API keys, and create key. And you don't want to restrict key for this use case, and create key and copy this to clipboard and come back to chatdash and paste this API key and verify and continue. Once you put a proper API key, you should be able to see all the agents available in that workspace. And I want to select this agent and add agent, and agent is just added. Click on next. And this is where you create a client account. So think of client as your client's company name. So I could say example or org, and language I'm going to use English for now, and I'm going to add first member under that company. So let's say John Doe. And for login ID and password, I'm going to be using the default one and create client. Once that's done, click on next. And your basic setup is done pretty much. You should be able to access client dashboard through this URL, and your client can log in to this dashboard using login ID and password, which is set up. Click on finish, and now you're being redirected to the agency dashboard where you can manage clients, agents, and all your integrations with your ElevenLabs agents. So in clients tab, we just added example org client. Underneath, there's a member named John Doe. I just added, and agents, we just added ElevenLabs agent called support agent, and it is assigned to example org. And in integrations tab, we have have ElevenLabs integration, and there's some other menus like webhook logs, SaaS configurator, and settings, but I'm not gonna get into that for this specific video. And let me just walk you through the client dashboard. So in order to see this example org's client dashboard, just click on preview and you should be able to see analytics, conversations, and knowledge base. So knowledge base is directly connected to ElevenLabs knowledge base. So just think of this interface as managing your ElevenLabs knowledge base using your branded interface. And in conversation tabs, you should be able to see all the call history with the call recordings. In analytics tabs, right now it's only generic metrics you can see in the dashboard, but you can always add custom KPI using post-call analysis. So now we have this branded dashboard that's very user-friendly. How do we embed this client dashboard into your GHL sub-account? Let me show you how. Let's exit preview, and you want to go to Clients tab. Again, click on Client Detail, Embed URL. This is where you can generate embed URL for external apps like GHL. And for embedding domain, you want to add a domain of your external app. In this case, it's going to be your GHL, white label version of GHL. But since I'm not using white labeling feature for GHL, I'm just going to be using the default GoHighLevel app domain. I want to click on register, and the embed URL for my GHL has just created. And I just want to click on copy embed URL. Now let's navigate to my GHL agency view, and I want to click on settings and scroll down a little bit to find out custom menu links and create new. And I want to select just a random icon here, and I'm gonna name this as AI Agent Dashboard for your customer. And I just want to paste the embed URL. I just copied from Chatdash in here. And when clicked, open link within the current window as an embedded page, as an iframe. So yeah, you want to embed this URL as an embedded iframe. And you can select account here. You can basically select which account you want to display this new custom menu link. But in here, I'm going to be selecting just one sub account, and I'm going to give visibility to all type of users. And I'm going to give all the permissions and click on save. So you just added a custom menu link called AI Agent Dashboard for your sub account. And let's navigate to sub account view. So let's go to Chatdash sub account. And if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to see a custom menu called AI Agent Dashboard. And once you click it, boom, there's an exact client dashboard we saw within Chatdash. So in here, your client can see all the assigned agents to them, and they can see all the analytics, conversations, and they can also manage knowledge base right inside of your GHL dashboard. So now we have embedded our branded custom dashboard into GHL sub account. But how do we actually automate billing for this client? Let me show you how. So I just came back to Chatdash dashboard, and I want to go to Stripe billing. So of course you need to connect your Stripe account for sure. Just enter whatever the required information there and connect your Stripe. And after that, you want to go to active products, and this is where you can manage your product for your AI agent. And you want to click on create product, and let's just give a product name something like voice AI simple. And there are 3 different price models we support within our system: base subscription fee, usage based, and one time. And base subscription fee allows you to charge your customer a retainer with included minutes with overage fee afterwards. And usage based is very simple. It's just purely usage based per minute price from start. And one time fee is built for you to charge your customer one time setup fee or project bill fee. And in this video, I'm going to just show you like how base subscription fee model works, because this is the most common pricing model agencies use. Let's just select base subscription fee here, and let's say I'm going to charge them $500 per month, and I'm going to give them 1,000 minutes as included minutes. And after 1,000 minutes, I want to charge them 25 cents per minute. So I just created a product called Voice AI Simple. And in order to create a subscription for your client, you want to go to subscriptions and create subscription, select the client we just added, and select agent and select product. This is the one we just added, Voice AI Simple. And I'm going to start the subscription right after, like from today. And I want to create subscription here. So the subscription for this specific ElevenLabs agent has just created. And let me show you how the customer journey looks like. So now I'm logged in as a sub account. And if I go back to AI Agent Dashboard, which is our custom menu link we just added, it basically prompts me to add a payment, and I cannot do anything else. So your client have to add their payment information to be able to fully use this dashboard. And after adding their payment information, ChatDash will automatically track usage and bill your clients without you lifting a finger. So there you have it. Instead of spending thousands of dollars and months on custom development, you can have a professional, client-facing experience live today. This isn't just about looking better. It's about saving time on manual usage tracking and billing, reducing maintenance headaches with a self-serve portal, and creating a premium offering that justifies higher prices. Again, over $500,000 in client payments have flowed through our engine because this system just works. Click the link in the description to start your free trial. You can have your first Whitelabel dashboard set up before the end of the day. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on scaling your AI agency. And I'll see you on the next video.